everybody, my name is Tina, and today, as you can see, we are trying out some sushi, and this is padala po ng Jaam Seafood. They're coming out with their sushi platter. I happen to be a huge fan of their salmon and tuna sashimi. I have ordered plenty of times already. Siguro mga more than 10 times na. Talagang loyal customer ako. So when I saw that they are coming out with their special sushi platters, this is a smaller one. They have a bigger one, but yan, ngayon I will review it for you, and I'm very excited. Jaam Seafood has been much cheaper than other competitors out there and has always been giving me great quality for the fish that they have. I doubt that it's gonna be super duper expensive. So right now I have the sushi party boat. This is what they call it. I will show them close up to you right now. So here on the rightmost part, we have tuna and salmon sashimi. Salmon sushi, which, ano ba tawag dito? Ito yung salmon na nasa kanin lang. And then we have yung ganito. I'll ask what it's called. And we have spicy tuna sushi. And then the same one here. And then some tuna sushi. So, makikita nyo guys, grabe yung pag-display din, maganda, the presentation, at mukhang mabubusog ka talaga pag kinain mo to. I'm pretty sure this is for share, but since matakaw ako sis, I will be eating it alone. Super duper excited. Honestly, you can never really go wrong with sushi because I just really like it. If you don't like sushi at all, then obviously it's not gonna work for you. But when you do, when you love sushi, everything will be great. Parang never pa ako nakatikim ng ganon. Parang automatic bet ko na talaga siya. Bet mo yung merong pa dahon, o diba? So should I just try and taste it? Oh, pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces ng tuna with the rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nung the one with the egg. Kaya nga, pinadala nila to eh. Hindi kasi specify which ones. 5 pieces ng tuna sashimi. 5 pieces ng salmon sashimi, 5 pieces of the salmon, the one with the rice. I'll just look it up. They didn't specify kasi. Futomaki, I'm guessing. Futomaki. Spicy salmon roll. Oh, spicy salmon roll. And then the tuna aburi roll. And then we have tuna sashimi. Yon. They come with 3 kikoman. And I really like yung pag-mix ng flavor nila ng kikoman because kakaiba, parang may tamis. Hindi siya yung normal lang na maalat na kikoman. Okay, so I'm going to mix my wasabi. Ito, binili ko lang to sa grocery, no? This is called the wasabi powder. My dad loves this. Yun. Perfect pasty consistency. I don't know about you, but when I was young, I hated wasabi. Pero as I grow up, parang, oh my God, ang sarap na nila. And it's not the same anymore to eat it without. Guys, sa Jaam Seafood, they also have a wasabi pero sobrang pamatay, meaning sobrang lakas. So please order it with discretion. Grabe, alam mo, nakakailang order na talaga kami sa Jaam Seafood, as in, like, I remember when the quarantine just started, as in, almost every week kami bumibili sa kanila because nami-miss namin kumain sa Japanese restaurant. And bihira lang yung open na Japanese restaurant ngayon. So ako sa inyo, just order fresh from them. They also have a stall in Fisher's Market in Cubao. But I usually just order because I'm from Makati and I'm not gonna go all the way there. So order na lang tayo. Says Lala Move na lang ite. So I'm going to start with the tuna. Oh, paano lang kasama na wasabi? Gumawa pa ako. I don't really like putting lemon on my Japanese food, so I'm just gonna leave it. Holy crap! Okay, guys. From the looks of it, akala ko kakapiranggot lang siya, but look how, tayo, YouTube tutorial. Look how thick that is. Ang laki po niya. Whoa, you will really get the value of your money here. So we will try it. Wait lang, pray muna ako. Guys, I will link all their social media down below because they are creating House of Sushi, if I'm not mistaken. So, tingin na lang kayo down below, and also their Facebook. They're very responsive on their social media. So, if you have any inquiries or order, they will reply to you right away. Okay guys, first bite! Sobrang laki niya. I should have dipped it more. That's really good. Yeah, ang laki. Shit. Okay, so ima-marinate natin siya kasi ganun po ako. Hindi ako yung dot-dot lang ng very light. Talagang I coat everything with my ano. Kaya talagang humihingi ako ng bowl sa restaurant. Ang cheap, no? Pero ganun talaga ako. Grabe, isang bite nyo guys, punong-puno yung bibig nyo. Ganun siya kalaki. Tsaka hindi siya malitid. It just melts in your mouth. Next, we have the salmon. Look how big. Siguro ano to? 2.5 inches tall, 2 inches wide. What? Sir? Sir? Parang dila na po siya. Ang lambot. Japanese food is my comfort food talaga guys. As in, when I'm sad, I eat sushi. When I'm happy, I eat sushi. I just eat sushi a lot. Did I mention that yung mga nag-prepare po nito ay professional sushi chefs? They have 2 sushi chefs that are working for them, but they will be adding more as the brand gets bigger. I want more. Gusto ko yung gano'n, yung masakit sa ilong, gano'n. Okay, let's try their wasabi. Good! Crap! That was an experience. Next, we are trying itong salmon po na may kanin at mangga. Ang sarap. Simple lang siya kasi it's just salmon on rice and Japanese mayo and mango, but it's so good all together. Talaga ang sarap po niya. Next, I will try this. It's a huge bite. Oh my God. Alam nyo, feeling ko yung audio po nitong video na to ay just puro mga dirty innuendos. We have an egg, we have crab stick, and I don't know what the other yellow one is. Tikpan na lang natin siya. Do I eat it one bite or magpapakita ko? Okay. Sarap. Ano yun? Ang dami nangyari. Ang dami kong natikman. Ba't ganun? Ang sarap. Ang dami pong nangyari. When I tasted it, it had egg. It had the sweetness of the crab stick. It had the sweetness of the mango. And then, sarap nito. Akala ko ito hindi ko magugustuhan kasi I usually just like the sushi po with salmon or tuna. Pero this one is so good. Nung ginamit ko yung wasabi nila, sobrang lakas. Oh my God, I'm teary-eyed. Grabe, kalahati pa lang natatry ko, nabubusog na ako. Now for tuna. Ooh! Napakaganda niyang nilalang. Close up natin, close up. Meron siyang semi-luto on the first layer and then like chinap-chop po na raw salmon on top. Oh my God! Ang sarap! Ang sarap, guys. This is super restaurant quality and I've eaten at a lot of Japanese restaurants and it's so good. Super duper good. I can't wait for you guys to try this and order it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna order it again. Itong salmon na to, oh my God po, napakasarap. Meron siyang like salmon salad on top. Hindi po ako nag-lunch, so I could savor this food kasi alam ko pong dadating to today. And it's so worth it. Ina-acid na ako kanina and oras ba dadating yung lunch ko. It's so worth it. Oh my God. But feeling ko hindi ko to maubos. Kahit masiba ako minsan, lalo na sa Japanese food. Because I really love it. So you tend to be selfish when you love food. Siguro ano to, 2 to 3 people na matakaw solve dito. Now for the tuna, na parang siyang spicy. Ito ata yung sinasabi nilang spicy tuna. Oo, kasi nakikita ko yung flakes. Ayan, kita niyo yung flakes. So, parang spicy, crunchy tuna on top. And then the sauce again. And then meron din sa loob. Kainin ko na lang, diba? Yep, this is the spicy tuna. Yep, it's definitely spicy. But the flavor is so good. As in, once it, like I said, oh my God, manjang siya sis. Not for me, because it's really too spicy, but the flavor is so good na parang, do I wanna hurt myself again because it's so good, but at the same time, masyakat talaga. Hindi kasi talaga ako mahilig sa manghang. But hey, kudos, kasi nakuha nila yung anghang, na talagang ito yung flavor talaga sa restaurant. As in, later I will have my siblings try this. Magugustuhan to ng brother ko. So here we have the roll. So I'm not gonna taste that anymore. But I will eat the tuna on the rice. Tuna and rice lang naman siya, but I'm still gonna taste it. Kunwari hindi ko alam yung lasa. Now that I've tasted it, I really suggest that you try and buy it when it launches. If you watch this video and it's past that date, then obviously they have been available. I want to eat more, but I am getting full kasi puro kanin siya eh. Kasi yung normal na sashimi lang, I can eat a whole 250 grams of it. So this one will really satisfy a lot of you and your friends. It's so filling. I only ate 11 pieces and that's nothing compared to my normal eating pagdating sa mga ganito. Lalo na kapag eat all you can. Sobrang worth it nito, guys. As in, I'm telling you, they're so reliable. They get their fish fresh every single time. Just order through their social media. I will link it down again in the description box. It's just a 10 out of 10 for me. I think super solid 10 out of 10. You will not regret buying this. That's how much I love it. I'm so happy I got it. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the post notification button to see more of my videos because I upload randomly. Pretty much it, honestly. I have nothing. Medyo na food coma po ako. With all of that said, I just want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Oh, Kika of the day is right here. Congratulations, you're today's shout out. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below and I'll pick you for the next one. Bye. God bless.